Welcome to the Handy Guys. We've been talking about the Lutron electrical system. Brian, I want to know why you bothered ripping out all of your switches in your basement, and you have a lot of them, and putting in this system.
So when I first finished the basement, I needed a way to one button turn all the lights off in the basement. It just boils down to that. It works.
So you put in all these crazy switches. It's a Lutron Caseta or Caséta system.
That's right. And now I have this one Pico remote right here that just has an on function and an off function. And that's programmed to turn all the lights off or all of them on.
So you have switches at the bottom of the steps that control multiple circuits.
That's right.
You have now this one at the top that controls all of the circuits as well.
That's right.
In one button.
In one button.
Okay, so we're going to, in our next video, we're going to kind of show you how these buttons work, because they're a little different than your traditional old-fashioned switch.
All right.
And this remote switch works wirelessly too.
That's right.
So,
there's no wires behind here, just like we showed in another video. It's just on, off, and it's just a remote.
So it's working without wires and no electrical power. So how does that work?
It's got a battery. It's supposed to last 10 years.
Ah, so a little like a watch battery? Or,
Yep.
So it's got a little battery, 10-year battery. So you set it and forget it, hopefully.
That's right.
And how long have you had it installed?
I've had it for a couple of weeks now, and it seems to work. Does what it's supposed to do. It turns the lights on and off.
So all on, all off. You now have it at the top of the steps. You don't have to walk 20 feet down to the bottom.
Right there, and also into the corner where I got a sconce switch and everything else.
Okay, and it could be dangerous coming up and down in the dark. So
it
now
could
you don't.
be, yeah.
All right, thanks for watching the Handy Guys, and keep following us. We're going to be doing a lot more about this smart switch system, and we're going to have other brands as well down the road.
That's right.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching.